Rise and shine! Our little friend is waking up to a beautiful morning, stretching their arms wide as golden sunlight fills their cozy room. What magical adventures await today? Oh my! Look at that, a stunning butterfly has appeared in the garden, its wings shimmering with rainbow colors and magical sparkles. How enchanting! The mysterious butterfly twirls gracefully, creating a swirling portal of dazzling light. It beckons our friend to follow into a world of wonder and magic. Stepping through the portal reveals an incredible sight, a world made entirely of candy. Towering lollipop trees reach toward cotton candy clouds, while rivers of chocolate flow sweetly below. But wait, who's this? The candy world is home to the most delightful creatures, bouncing gummy bears, hopping chocolate bunnies, and fluffy marshmallow friends, all eager to say hello. Everyone joins in a joyful celebration, dancing and twirling together as music fills the air with sweetness and laughter. But as all adventures must end, it's time to say goodbye. Our candy friends wave farewell as another magical portal appears. Back in bed, our friend watches the glowing butterfly disappear into the twilight, leaving behind a trail of sparkles and memories of a magical day.